dark in the Cadillac. I should probably just open the sunroof and leave it open. I spent some time today getting the handbrake in, so that was easier than I expected. Crazy enough, I didn't have all the CAD like I usually do with cars so that I can like check the fitment of everything. So this one it'll be 3 iterations to get it right. The second iteration is good enough, but we just want to like fine tune it and make it perfect. It's got a handbrake now, full interior handbrake. I don't know how many people drift CTSs. I don't know how many people are gonna drift CTSs. Matt's vacuuming right now, so this probably sounds like shit. It's pretty neat, and I'll show you it right now. There it is. Obviously this one was an auto. We can't have the auto shifter in there at the same time as the handbrake. Might be worth a try. Obviously intended for manual drift cars. No other intrusion besides this spot right here. And I overcut this, obviously, if you need to bleed it, but you could just pop these out. In theory, you could just leave it one piece along the side. I mean, that is as good as it gets for a full interior drift car right there. So pretty awesome, pretty good level. It's crazy on these because the floor is like so far down. That's how far down the floor is on my hand. The floor is where the bottom of this thing is. Yeah, so people are worried about this thing being 4,000 pounds from the factory, but how much does that thing weigh, Matt?
55, 60
It has to be, yeah, just in the back seat backs.
Yeah, that'll work.
That'll work. It'll work.
Remember to try this at home.
Also on there. Where's the Sawzall? That Sawzall item. That is a little scary.
Turn the wheel. Go back that way. Oh, beautiful.
So, when we told people that we're doing a CTS wagon, it's gonna be a CTS V, everybody was like, man, that thing's way too heavy. It's 4,200 pounds from the factory. Like, you're never gonna get the weight out of it. It's gonna be a tire killer. Well, I had some skepticism about the car actually weighing that much. As we were tearing it apart, I mean, we're finding things like this. So, this is the wiring harness. I mean, this thing's gotta weigh 80 to 100 pounds in its own. And that's just one of the parts of the interior that weighs that much. I mean, we've pulled, it has to be like 600 pounds out of just the interior stuff. We're crossing our fingers for like 3,000 to 3,200. Obviously, if you put 4 people in it, it's gonna be pretty heavy. I don't know, let's break some records with the weight of a CTS wagon. We made a mess.
Oh, we sure did. Just a little bit.
But there's a lot of stuff in a big ol'...
Look at how clean the car is, though.
Dude. Who needs all that stuff?
That's weight, baby.
A lot of stuff going on up here, too. We're hoping that the glass is just bolted in with those 4 bolts. And then we can cut everything out and see how much we could save. I think we'll get to... my goal is 29.
It's a steep goal, bud.
It is. But after pulling out already 500 plus pounds of interior and weighing it, I don't think it's that hard. Oh boy. That's so terrifying. Still connected.
Stop rolling.
Before we do it, what do you think, Matt?
Bare chassis.
It's got some glass in it still. How much?
Hold on, I'll tell you. Hold on. 1,080 pounds.
Okay, what's your guess?
950.
All right, I'm at 912. I'm optimistic. Okay.
Oh, looky there, I won.
Oh, this guy. Hold on. Holy shit, dude.
Hey, it's worth like 60 bucks in scrap.
Oh my gosh, that's with windows in it. Hell yeah. Dude, we're getting to 3, no problem.